Talk to me politely. Talk to me politely. Parlez avec ak politesse. Parlez avec ak politesse. In any case. Nan n'importe cas. Nan n'importe cas. It doesn't look fair. It doesn't look fair. Li pa paret jis. Li pa paret jis. I'm done. I'm done. Mwen fini. Mwen fini. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Paranse avem. Paranse avem. Twice a day. Twice a day. Deux fois nan yon jou. Deux fois nan yon jou. Is this the price? Is this the price? Est-ce que c'est priya? Est-ce que c'est priya? Now you try. Now you try. Kounye a ou essayé. Kounye a ou essayé. In front of me. In front of me. Devant. Devant. I live in my own house. I live in my own house. Mwen rete nan prop kay mwen. Mwen rete nan prop kay mwen. Your voice is too low. Your voice is too low. Voix ou trop bas. Voix ou trop bas. Perhaps. Perhaps. Peut-être. Peut-être. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. Mwen te wè li ak prop jem. Mwen te wè li ak prop jem. How is your business? How is your business? Ki jan business wan ye? Ki jan business wan ye? Where do I pay? Where do I pay? Ki kote pou m'paye? Ki kote pou m'paye? Go straight. Go straight. Allez tout droit. Allez tout droit. I am not bad. I am not bad. Mwen pa mal. Mwen pa mal. Where can I see you? Where can I see you? Ki kote mwen ka we ou? Ki kote mwen ka we ou? When can I see you? When can I see you? Ki le mwen ka we ou? Ki le mwen ka we ou? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolument pas. Absolument pas. Don't take it personal. Don't take it personal. Pas prendre personnel. Pas prendre personnel. I don't know him. I don't know him. Mwen pa konnen. Mwen pa konnen. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. Mwen te wè ou yon kote. Mwen te wè ou yon kote. In what way? In what way? Nan que façon? Nan que façon?